Hello. This tutorial is to help you find the setting that allows students to join a Zoom meeting without having to actually download anything onto their computers. Instead, they can just watch it straight through their browser. So we start by going to zoom.us and signing in. Once you have signed in, you can come over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Settings. The setting that we want today is actually going to be all the way down in Meeting Advanced. So I'm going to click there so that it scrolls automatically. And then keep scrolling down until the very end of that section. So it says show a join from your browser link. And basically what this does is it allows participants to get around having to download Zoom into their computers or Chromebooks or tablets, and they can just join the meeting directly from their browser. This may limit some of the things that they're able to do, so be aware of that if you're expecting them to annotate, chat, or have other functions that may normally be available. But it's better to have them in any capacity than in none at all. So I hope you find this helpful.